chart with confidence interval. We will create a bar chart with confidence intervals for the average number of card usages by city. In preparation, let's first create a pivot table. Click anywhere in the table and select Pivot Table under Insert. Select New Worksheet. Drag city to rows. Drag card to values. Please click on the marked area to the right of card. Please select Value Field Settings. We would like to compare averages, so select Average. Click OK. Adjust the decimal point. To calculate the confidence interval, we also need the standard deviations, so add the field name card to values. Click on the down arrow to the right of card, and please select Value Field Settings. Select the standard deviation by clicking stddev and click OK. Adjust the decimal point. Copy the table and paste its values. Enter column names as shown on the screen, such as n, and the square root of n. Alpha slash 2 in s slash square root n times t alpha slash 2 means 2 tails. LCI is the lower limit of the confidence interval, and UCI is the upper limit of the confidence interval. The LCI and UCI are not necessary for the bar chart we are going to make, but we include them for checking. Adjust the decimal point. Define the city column in the table worksheet as city. In the cell under N, let's enter the COUNTIF function to count the number of FKO. The first argument is city, which we defined earlier, and the second argument is the cell for FKO. Autofill. The total number should be 200. In the cell under square root N, use the SQRT function. Click on the left cell for the argument. Adjust the decimal point. Autofill. Put the formula for the confidence interval, s slash square root n times t inv.2t function, with 0.05 as alpha for the first argument and the degrees of freedom n, 1 for the second argument. Autofill. We are ready to make the bar chart, but before making the chart, let's calculate the lower and upper limits. The lower limit is the average minus the left cell. The upper limit is the average plus the left cell. Autofill. Make a bar chart. From Insert, click on the simplest of bar charts. Right-click on any of the bars in the bar chart and choose Format Data Series. Choose Series option from Format Data Series and make the gap width smaller to make the bars wider. To change the color, right-click any bar and select the desired color from Fill. Enter the title, Average Number of Card Usages by City. Click inside the chart to show the plus mark, then click it. From Chart Elements, select Error Bars and then More Options. Choose Custom and click Specify Value. Click Specify Value. Put the cell range of the confidence intervals for both positive error value and negative error value. The confidence intervals are now shown. How to add data labels has been explained in another chapter, so we are not going to add the data labels, but adjust the decimal point just in case. The upper limit for Nagoya, NGY, at about 10.29 is consistent with the UCI, and the lower limit for Tokyo, TKY, at around less than 6 is also consistent with the LCI. Add 95% confidence intervals to the title. Name the worksheet Confidence Interval. This concludes this practice.